guys, welcome to Ausbildung. So today we will solve a numerical and that is related to GATE examination. So let's begin with the session. So question here says a practical current source is usually represented by. So we know that ideal current source is having resistance of infinite. So if the current source is ideal, so it will have infinite resistance. R value will be infinite, that is open circuited. So if we are talking about practical current source, so its circuit will be drawn in this manner. So now we can see here a current source is connected in parallel with the resistance. So here the answer will be a resistance is connected in parallel with the ideal current source. So B will be this answer. Thank you guys. Hope you all like the session. If you all want me to make more videos, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye guys.